chekutanga key yako yakagadzika zvakanyanyisa anditi it was too deep, failing to hit my lungs, right? And then zvapedzisira zvaita kuti breathing yako, because panenge ichiita malongo unobudisa mweya wakawanda, you see. Saka you're always gasping for air, right? Toti inyaya yeki yakadzika. Then breathing technique yako iri wrong futi. Ukufema pakati pemawords. Anditi word inofanira kutopera wofema just before the next word. Then another problem ilipo ndeyekuti this song was written, the way I'm going to nayo was written, arranged in a backup choir. Because we could call him answer, his spindle, look up good afternoon, always because of that. So if you want to tempt my songs, I better get yourself a mini choir, one soprano, one alto, one tenor, one bass. Whenever you put that, so that then you can always agree with fly around, but choir sitting on choir.
Yes, you have hit most of them. Ukangaona kuti uchiuda song asi urikuda lead and response. Woita panapa anga achireka piano ichimitira, because piano yako ungamasvika pachorus inogona so you have a conversation with the keyboard. Asi kuti wega kuti so it's too late to change the song. But what you could do is to let the pianist sing the song. And he is able. So he can do the chorus. He will and Isus I hope the adjudicators for the finals, no. It's not about the words. The song is still with the instrumentalist. So think about it if, say, we happen to go to the finals.
I would suggest to either by W is right. Three other guys so that you know this is what the ways that are fire. Those are all. Thank you.